guys, today we will be boosting in Bee Swarm. Yeah. Let's go. First, let me just... Not much. Hey, Anna. What's up? Always gotta say hi to Onnit before a video. How much? No, I'm not taking that scam. Ooh, I should tell you guys. I have a choose a mythic egg. Don't know how I got it. I just have it now. I don't know why I have it now. But yes, I have a choose a mythic egg. I won't be using it this video, guys. I'm sorry to tell you. Won't be using it this video. We'll be using it next video though. Probably, maybe, I don't know. Maybe. So this will be unedited, just normal grinding. I won't be grinding for that long. Just gonna get over here. Get these up here. Let me just take these. Give me this. Oh man. Give me a boost. Oh, blue flower. Dang it. I guess I'll just check on red then. See what I got for red. Anyway, so yeah, I have a pretty big avatar. Don't mind it. Don't mind it, guys. Yeah. What would you give me? Mushroom. Now these boosts, yeah, they suck. We'll be boosting in Pine Tree because I like Pine Tree. Let me just get out my dice real quick. I don't need that many cloud battles. Why do I have that many? Oh, my head hurts. Almost close to 250 again to get cobalt. Yeah, I'm not that good, guys. Sorry about that. I'm not that good. Alright, let's go kill some mantises real quick. I have to do it for a quest too anyways, so... Yes. Oh, yes. Delay me. Yeah. Give me all that loot. Let's go. 5 glues from werewolf. That's insane, my guy. I do not need that much glue. I mean, I kind of do, but I kind of don't. Guys, I am very poor. Please don't mind my inventory. So, yeah. I have to choose a mythic egg. Let me just, yeah. Normal spell. Okay. Nothing good. Got it. Give me those tickets. Give me those tickets. Give me those tickets. Man, this is a lot of loot. Tickets. Yo, give me another bean, bro. Give me the other bean. Ain't no way I got nothing from that. Bro. One royal jelly. 1 ticket. So, yeah. Anyways, let's get these. Head back over here. Go head back to Black Bear. Wasting around. Anyways, time to put in this quest. Oh, what did I just roll? Alright, guys. I will end this at 4 minutes right now. No, 5 minutes actually. Right now, it's 4:50 seconds. So 10 more seconds, guys, until death. Anyways, goodbye. I have 34 bees, almost there. See you